Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 7 of class 7th DAV English Literature, A Stormy Adventure, back exercise. Understanding the story. A. Complete the following statements by filling the blanks with one word only. The name of the captain of the Trishna was Captain Kumar. The Trishna weighed 8,000 tons. Mr. Bose held the post of chief engineer on the Trishna. The boating incident where the boat that Vishal and his friends were traveling in developed a leak happened in Okla. Answer the following questions in not more than 30 words. First, where was the Trishna going? Why was it going there? Answer, Trishna was going to Philippines. It was going there with a cargo of food for the people of small islands in the South China Sea as it was struck by typhoon. Second, why was Captain Kumar worried? Answer, Captain Kumar was worried because barometer had fallen steeply, which was the indicator of the bad weather conditions. Third, what was the effect of bad weather on the Trishna? Answer, high waves rolled the ship mercilessly. Some of the cargo was damaged and the gangway broken loose. A steel angle of the gangway had pierced the ship side and water started entering the engine room. Fourth, what suggestion did Vishal have to offer to his father? Answer, Vishal suggested his father to tilt the ship to one side to expose the leakage so that it could be easier to plug the hole. Fifth, how was the Trishna saved? Answer, Trishna was tilted to one side and the hole was blocked with a wooden plug by using cement. It was risky, but finally the Trishna was saved. See in the story A Stormy Adventure, some situations and actions lead to certain results. Complete the table given below by writing in appropriate columns the action or the result that the given situations produced. Action. Rohini felt seasick. Result. She groaned and held her stomach. Second, Typhoon Elsie created a havoc on the ship. Result, Captain Kumar ordered the men on the deck to lash the cargo. Third, a steel angle pierced the ship's side. Result, water gushed into the Trishna. Fourth, the Vishal remembered a similar boat incident. Result, he gave a suggestion to his father. Fifth, the ship was tilted and the leak was blocked. Result, the Trishna was saved. Thoughts. Do you think it was easy for Captain Kumar to accept the risky suggestions given by Vishal? What might be going on in his mind? Why do you think he finally accepted the suggestion? Answer. I don't think it was easy for Captain Kumar to accept the risky suggestion given by Vishal because the storm was at its peak, but he still accepted it because water had entered the engine room. He was in the situation of do or die as there was no other way left to save Trishna. Life skills. You are quite a seaman really, says the chief officer about Vishal. Would you call a Vishal a seaman? Give reasons. Yes, Vishal was really a seaman, like every human being. He also got frightened, but the very next moment he gathered all his courage, went to his father and suggested an idea to save Trishna. Values. Imagine that the ship you are traveling in gets caught in a bad weather. How would you react? Would you be frightened, anxious, or excited? How could you be of the help others in such situation? Answer. I would try not to lose my courage and remain calm as Vishal. I would help others and also try to think of the solutions according to the situations. Writing skills. Imagine yourself to be Vishal. Write an article for the school magazine describing your adventurous journey. Answer: An Adventurous Journey by Vishal. This summer I, along with my sister, accompanied my father on his voyage to Philippines with a cargo of wood for the victims of typhoon on the small islands of South China Sea. We were enjoying the journey. All of a sudden, we heard the news of bad weather. The barometer had fallen deeply. Rohini started feeling seasick. Typhoon Els was deepening in a northwesterly direction and coming towards us at a high speed. The ship rose high with mountain-like high waves and tossed down mercilessly. The gangway was broken loose and its steel angle had pierced the ship's side. Water started entering the engine room. The crew members tried to plug the hole, but all in vain. I was also scared, but then Then got an idea came to my mind. I suggested my father to tilt the ship to one side to expose the leakage. It was risky, but we were in the situation of do or die. So the crew members worked over it and finally succeeded to save Trishna. My father praised me. It was really an adventurous journey which made me more courageous. Now I would like to share that courage and presence of mind can take us out of any bad or difficult situation. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.